In this video, we are going to learn about parts of sentence, subject and predicate. We will also learn how to identify subject and predicate, and at last I shall provide some exercise for you. So let's start the video. So parts of sentence. A sentence has mainly two parts, subject and another is predicate. About whom or what is said is the subject of a sentence. Subject may be person or thing, and what is said about the subject is the predicate of a sentence. To make it more clear, let's take some example. At first, Ria is singing a song. In this sentence, we are talking about Ria. So, Ria is the subject of the sentence. And what is she doing? She is singing a song. So, is singing a song is the predicate of the sentence. He plays cricket. In this sentence, we are talking about he. So, he is the subject and plays cricket is the predicate. A group of boys are playing in the ground. In this sentence, we are talking about a group of boys. So, a group of boys is the subject of the sentence and are playing in the ground is the predicate of the sentence. So, you can see except a subject, the rest part of the sentence is predicate. So, you can see a subject could be a noun or a pronoun or a noun phrase, and there must be a verb in the predicate. There may not be other word but must be a verb. As you can see, subject comes in the beginning of a sentence, but in some cases subject may come after the predicate part. For example, here comes the man. In this sentence, here comes is the predicate part and the man is subject because about the man we are talking. So, the man is the subject. In imperative sentence, subject is you and it is always missing. For example, go there. This is an imperative sentence and in this sentence subject is not given. In this case, you should remember that you is the subject of the sentence and go there is the predicate. So, after seeing these examples, I hope now you will be able to identify subject and predicate of a sentence. Let's see some exercise. The teacher is teaching in the class. In this sentence, we are talking about the teacher. So, the teacher is the subject of the sentence. And what the teacher is doing? Teacher is teaching in the class. So, is teaching in the class is the predicate part of the sentence. The cows are grazing in the field. In this sentence, we are talking about the cows. So, the cows is the subject of this sentence and are gazing in the field is the predicate part. He has done the job. We are talking about he. So, he is the subject and has done the job is the predicate. Raju is a very talented boy. I leave it for you. Do comment in the comment box what is subject and what is predicate of the sentence. So, in this video, we have learned a sentence has mainly two parts, subject and predicate. About whom or what is said is the subject of a sentence, and what is said about the subject is the predicate of a sentence. A subject could be a noun or a pronoun or a noun phrase, and there must be a verb in the predicate. Generally, subject comes in the beginning of a sentence, but in some cases subject may come after the predicate part. In imperative sentence, subject is you and it is always missing in the sentence. And we have also learned how to identify subject and predicate of a sentence. So hope you understand subject and predicate.